this stuff was impetigo, they always had the purple medicine that they put on.
No, we got his penal.
Same thing Bobby took last year for scarlet fever.
Yeah.
Is it clearing him up pretty good?
Yeah,
He's
stuff
clearing
is
up, but he's still got his
it's
sores.
drying up and crusting over.
Yeah. And is his nose still running like this?
No, but
crazy?
he's got medication for this cold too.
What's
so
that?
he's pretty doped up.
Cookies? Okay, you open
You've
it
been
up.
eating them all the way to Grandma's house. And that was completely full.
Good cookies.
Hi, Troy. Boom.
Well, you fell real gently anyway. I think I recognize that outfit.
Yeah, right.
Well, you know how it goes.
Let's close
That's
it. Shall I
fine.
close it up for you?
That's great. He fills it out a little more than that other one
They
did.
say it almost got too tight around the arm.
Oh, you
And
just,
yet Bobby was 2 months older.
Yeah.
oh, you got all kinds of. What?
Well, let's tell Grandma where we went.
Where'd you go? Did we go to Aunt Tracy's house?
Oh, you got to see Nicholas, did you?
Yeah.
Huh?
And then we went to Laurel's work. And then we went to the new babysitters. And then we went to Ruthie and Ray's, our neighbors. And then we went to Stephanie's house. Then we went to Grandma's house. And we went to Bo and Carolyn's house. And Susan and Tim's house. And Virginia's house. And back to Grandma's house.
Good heavens, you've made the rounds today.
Yeah. I don't know how many things he's eaten.
Yeah.
Troy.
He had 2 suckers just going to
You
Yam
may
Hill.
have a tummy ache tomorrow. Looking at Daddy.
Troy.
Hey, you.
What's it going on? Well, what is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing?
Well, you
Well, I'll
like
see how
it.
my
got
numbers work, her.
Bobby, are there puppies at your new babysitter's house?
There's only one left.
Did
Gave
she
'em
sell
away
them?
today?
No,
Bobby
she took
killed
them to
all of them.
No.
I heard.
Yeah, they took her to a pet store.
What
they
kind
must-
were they?
They're cute. I don't know. They
Oh,
were
puppies are
adorable.
darling. Oops, here.
Uh-uh.
Here, hold it up. Now you're losing them. Here, watch them. Here's bunch up here.
Boy, that's gonna loosen you up. Troy, what are you doing?
I'm glad you like them, because Grandma doesn't like them. I'll give you a clue.
You don't like Ray?
Oh.